welcome back to Auto Legends. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting vehicles hitting the road in 2025, the Toyota RAV Hybrid. This game-changing RV brings together the best of Toyota's hybrid technology and the adventurous spirit of RV life, creating an eco-friendly and efficient travel experience. The 2025 Toyota RAV Hybrid combines a powerful gasoline engine with an electric motor, giving you the efficiency and power you need for both long road trips and daily use. What makes this RV stand out is its hybrid powertrain, which not only boosts fuel economy, but also reduces emissions, making it the ideal choice for eco-conscious travelers. Unlike traditional RVs that guzzle fuel on long trips, the Toyota RAV Hybrid is built to take you further with fewer stops, all while being kinder to the environment. In terms of performance, this RV Hybrid excels. The integration of the electric motor allows for smoother acceleration, especially at low speeds, and helps when you're cruising through slow-moving traffic or idling. The vehicle seamlessly switches between gas and electric power, giving you a dynamic driving experience that's both efficient and enjoyable. Toyota has designed this RV to maintain power even on longer routes, so whether you're navigating highways or exploring remote destinations, you feel confident behind the wheel. Toyota has also prioritized comfort and functionality in the 2025 RAV Hybrid's design. Inside, you'll find a spacious cabin that's cleverly laid out to maximize every inch of space. The design incorporates modern amenities like a fully equipped kitchen, a cozy sleeping area, and a compact bathroom, making it easy to feel right at home while on the road. The layout has been optimized for convenience with storage solutions that ensure you can bring all your essentials without feeling cramped. One of the standout features of the 2025 Toyota RAV Hybrid is its reduced weight. Thanks to the hybrid powertrain, the RV is lighter than traditional gas-powered models, improving handling and maneuverability. Whether you're driving through narrow streets or winding mountain roads, this RV is easy to control, even for first-time RV drivers. When it comes to sustainability, the Toyota RAV Hybrid takes things to the next level. The hybrid engine minimizes fuel consumption, so you can spend more time enjoying your adventures and less time worrying about filling up. Plus, the eco-friendly design reduces your overall carbon footprint, making it easier to explore the world without damaging it. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota RAV Hybrid is a perfect blend of innovation, sustainability, and comfort. It's ideal for those who love to travel, explore, and live on the road while keeping their environmental impact in check. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country journey or a weekend getaway, the Toyota RAV Hybrid promises to be the ultimate companion. Thanks for watching.